Since 2009, Kunshan YiYue Cleaning Equipment Corporation has been offering environmental products and solutions using vacuum technology, from design, fabrication to maintenance. Our new 2,500 square meters state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Wuxi, Jiangsu province of China started in 2019. It's bringing our production capacity and performance to a whole new level. YiYue Company is committed to keeping hazards away from employees and creating a cleaner as well as a safer working environment in factories. Our vision is to innovate and become an industry-leading company. YiYue main products consist of single-phase and three-phase industrial vacuum cleaners, including pneumatic vacuum cleaners, industrial dust collectors, and air purification equipment. All our product models have passed CE and RoHS testing. Some are specifically tested for safe operation in hazardous locations with ATEX or CNEX explosion-proof certification. With our experience in vacuum technology and expertise in engineering solutions for industrial applications, more and more customers chose us, both from domestic and overseas markets. Our products are widely used in welding, thermal cutting, woodworking, composite machining, metalworking, as well as material handling and recycling. YiYue is an ISO 9001 certified company, assuring you, the customer, that we'll focus on meeting your expectations and delivering customer satisfaction. We pride ourselves on pursuing solutions to environmental issues and creating products with safety and quality. We would like you to join us as our partners. Are you ready?